Hey guys, I wanted to thank you for all the support recently, the comments and stuff. It's been really awesome. It's nice that the weather's nicer here in Vancouver, Canada, because here in Canada we get 9 months, usually 8 to 9 months of rain and bad weather, and then we get a really nice, I'd say actually no, I'd say a good 4 months are quite nice. But the weather is starting to get nicer, which for whatever reason just puts me in a better mood for fragrances. And yeah, just the support too has just been fantastic. And I've been, with the college semester, sometimes it's hard to keep up when you have so much schoolwork and your mind is in a different place. But recently I've been just so much into fragrances and I want to smell new things. And yeah, this one actually, I'm surprised I haven't done this yet because this is probably going to be one of the more popular comparisons, which is Dior Sauvage versus Bleu de Chanel. Which one should you buy? They're both the eau de toilette concentrations. Here's the Dior Sauvage. They're both 100 mLs too. Yeah, what can I say about these guys? They're fantastic. They're extremely popular, and I guess they aren't the most unique because, like, a lot of men wear these sort of fragrances because, like, they're just staple houses, Dior and Bleu and Chanel. They're very big name brands, and they're also very elegant too. And yeah, they're not. I wouldn't say they're the cheapest, but like you get what you're paying for. You get a good quality fragrance. I believe each of them are like around 130 for the 100 ml, which I mean you could see as expensive, but if you put it dollar per ml, that's $1.30 per ml, right? It's not the worst. And especially when these things last pretty long, I think you're getting a pretty good bang for your buck. In terms of uniqueness, that's really freaking tough because you're gonna say, oh, well, they're so generic. They're generic because people wear them. They're not generic because they smell generic. Like, I think they're pretty, unique smelling fragrances. Like, this one's extremely metallic and just masculine. Like, if Dior Sauvage wasn't made, then nobody would be calling this generic. If this was like a lesser known brand making something like this, nobody would be calling it a generic fragrance. It's actually fairly unique in the, as I said, in the metallic sort of. I don't smell anything like that other than the fragrances that copy or clone Dior Sauvage. So this one has the metallic vibe. Now this one has, how do I say, a fresh yet musky sort of fresh soap. It's like fruity yet that incense and musk. I believe it's either one of the two, incense and musk, in the base. Just makes it really, really elegant. It also, I believe it does have amber, but it's probably just ambroxan. So both of the two do have ambroxan. So I guess, you could say maybe it's a bit cheap in that sense. But like, I don't know. I think a ambroxan used right can smell really nice. So this is an elegant, fresh soap that's musky and fruity at the same time. And the combination, again, makes it interesting, mysterious, intriguing, and I guess you could say very masculine as well. So uniqueness, I'm going to give them a tie. In terms of projection and longevity, I would give this one the winner. This one probably lasts a good 10 hours, while this, I think you could get 8, maybe 9. They're both really good in terms of projection and longevity, but this is a bit stronger. You need less for this, and it lasts a bit longer. So what's the overall better fragrance? It's very close. I give this one an 8.5. I give this one an 8. Actually, this isn't which is the better fragrance. This is which is the fragrance should you buy. I'm gonna go with the Dior Sauvage, and the reason I say that is because the Dior Sauvage is, I don't know. Dior Sauvage might be so popular, but it just gets the job done, and it smells to me a bit more masculine than the Bleu de Chanel, and I see it as a more confidence enhancing fragrance for myself. When I put this on, I just feel really, really, I don't know, confident, masculine. It's just, it has that sort of effect on you that you smell like metallic. You have that citrus punch, that lavender, which smells surprisingly not too feminine. It actually blends really, really well. You get that pepper. It's just, I don't know how to explain it, guys. If you try these two on, you might be like, well, this one smells a bit more natural. Yeah, it does. In terms of like natural smelling fragrance, I'd give this one the edge. But this one just boosts my confidence and makes me feel more masculine. So for me, guys, I'm just saying it's a personal preference. I'm not saying you won't like this. In fact, I'd recommend both of these, but if I were to recommend one over the other from a personal standpoint, I'm going with the Dior Sauvage. Okay? Thank you for watching. I hope this video gets some attention because I want you guys to see my opinion on two of the most popular fragrances there are on the market. If, in terms of the last 5-6 years, like, I mean, this goes even back more than 5-6 years. But when this came in, these two started getting heavy comparisons, right? So, yeah, go with the Dior Sauvage. Thank you, guys. And I'll see you soon. Bye.